Is it a Midori? Is it matcha? Is it green Chartreuse? Absinthe? No, it's mint tincture. Today I'll show you how to make the greenest mojito without using artificial coloring, all without the need of having and muddling fresh mint. We made 2 episodes with tinctures so far, so today we'll look at a few examples of how fast and easy it is to flavor your cocktails this way. And to make the cocktail look cooler, I'll use clarified lime super juice. But even if you use freshly squeezed lime juice, the cocktail will look and taste great. At the end of the episode, I'll show you a few other cocktails you can make with mint tincture. And I'd love to hear what's your favorite mint cocktail down in the comments. While you're down there, make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on, so YouTube sends a notification every time I say
it's cocktail time!
We start the episode with the news from the Cocktail Time universe to let you know we're launching ebooks just in time for the holidays. The ebooks will be available on Patreon for our supporters, but you can grab them even if you're just a follower. We cover techniques and recipes you need in your arsenal to make better cocktails. The first one has already dropped, with more following soon. Click the link in the description and grab some knowledge for yourself or somebody you know is into cocktails. Now back to the episode. Any way you look at it, mojito is still one of the most popular cocktails out there. And if there's something we like to do on Cocktail Time, is find new, fun ways to make delicious cocktails. When that also saves you time, storage space or money, that's even better. And to show you, there is always room to play with flavors, I'll add 2 tinctures to our mojito base, mint and lemon balm. Lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, is a calming herb, historically used to reduce stress and anxiety, promote sleep, improve appetite, and ease pain and discomfort from indigestion. I made this the same way we did with the mint tincture, so check out the green tinctures episode for the step-by-step process. Both of these will give our cocktail a bright green color, but feel free to experiment with other tinctures and flavors to find a combination that you love. And as mentioned in the intro, to make the green color pop a bit more, I'll also use clarified lime super juice. This process works exactly the same with fresh lime juice as well. We'll just need agar-agar, which is what will trap the solids in our citrus juice, making it possible to filter that out. The amount we need is 0.2%, the total weight of the juice, so with 300 ml I'm adding 0.6 gram, and I'll hydrate that in about 1/4 of the total liquid, because I don't want to heat up all of the citrus juice, and I'll also be able to chill the mixture with the rest of the juice. Agar-agar is made up of long chains of molecules that get detangled when dissolved in hot liquid. Before it starts simmering, turn off the heat and pour in the rest of the juice to cool the mixture down. This will cause the agar molecules to intertwine again, and once completely cooled, it will create a soft gel, trapping the lime juice solids. To help that along, I'll chill it further with cold water, then place it in the freezer. After about an hour, it's time to gently break apart the gel and pour everything through a cloth filter. If the first liquid coming through is still a bit cloudy, you'll want to refilter it once or twice. After the solids, create an additional filter. Leave this to slowly drip through until it's basically done. You can still squeeze out the last few drops, but do it gently. With that, we have a flavorful clarified lime super juice. Bottle it and use it within the same time you would if it wasn't clarified. You can of course freeze it for later use as well. But with that, we have all the ingredients needed for the neon green mojito. For the base, I'll use a lightly aged Cuban rum, going with Havana Club 3, mixed with clarified lime super juice, simple syrup, a little saline solution, and top with soda water. Saline solution will boost the flavors, including our mint and lemon balm tinctures. If you want to batch the cocktail, remember that you'll need to add the tincture before serving, because the diluted tincture will start browning after a while. But for now, let's just build the cocktail in a chilled highball glass or a tempered-clear ice beer. First, I'm adding 2 ounces or 60 ml of our lightly aged rum. Optional alternatives to Havana Club 3 for this cocktail are Diplomatico Planas and Planterite 3 stars. Follow that with 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of our clarified lime super juice. Even if you're using freshly squeezed lime juice, I think it's fine to skip the shaking when making the mojito. For sweetness, let's add 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of simple syrup. And to boost the flavors, let's add 2 drops of 20% saline solution. Stir the ingredients together, then let's top up the cocktail with 100 grams of soda water. Use a scale if you want to be precise. And to finally add the green and herbal parts of our neon green mojito, let's add 8 dashes of mint tincture and 2 dashes of lemon balm tincture. Leave the cocktail with a few turns of the bar spoon, and that's it. I think it looks good enough that it doesn't need a garnish. But you can of course add a nice bouquet of mint, a lime wedge, or just a small circle of lime peel. We made a mojito that clearly defines its character with its aroma, rich notes of rum, a sweet and sour balance, and the freshness of mint that in our case melts beautifully with the citrusy hints of lemon balm, one of the best mojitos ever. Also, you can easily control how mint forward you want your mojito to be by adding more or less of the tincture. Today's bottom of the glass brings us 3 more cocktails. We still need the addition of mint. Here we have a gin sour, which I'll turn into a south side with 8 dashes of mint tincture. For garnish, a single mint leaf. Next is the julep, with bourbon and simple syrup. And instead of fresh mint, again 8 dashes of mint tincture to make a mint julep. Stir, add more ice, and a mint bouquet garnish, and that's it. And lastly, a whiskey sour, which I'll turn into a no-hassle whiskey smash, with 8 dashes of mint tincture. Again, a mint garnish. Easy, refreshing, delicious mint cocktails. Don't forget to share your favorite mint cocktail in the comments, or at least add the green heart emoji, so I'll know you stayed until the end of the episode. And if you'd like to make tinctures to flavor your cocktails, check out the episode where I made 9 different tinctures with 2 different methods. Until next time, cheers, friends of cocktails.